So guys, in this practice, I'm going to follow the following document which is already published on the ocptechnology.com official website. Let me show you my machines. In the black window, you can see this is my primary machine, and in the green window, you can see this is my standby machine. The first step is check archive gap between primary and standby using the following command, which is showing the last highest generated log sequence number. So you can see this is my primary machine. It has a 31 last sequence number. Now let me check on the standby machine also. Here is also 31. So my both machines are in sync. Let's go for the next step, which is the connect to the broker using the following command. In your case, the sysuser password is different, so you have to enter your password after /show configuration, and here you can see digital is my primary database and digital dr is my secondary database. Let's prepare for the switchover. Validate primary database, so you can check your primary database is ready for the switchover or not. My database role is the primary and it is ready for switchover. Yes, it is ready for switchover. Let's check for standby database also. Validate database dr. You can see database role is a physical standby. Ready for switchover. Yes, it is ready for switchover and it is also ready for the failover. Okay, if you want. In the step 5, let's initiate the switchover. Before switchover, let me show you the manual details on the standby side also. You can see this is my physical standby database and it is open in the read-only mode with apply. This is my standby database instance name. Using the show configuration command, you can see digital is my primary database and dgdr is my physical standby. Let's run the switchover command. Switchover to dgdr means I just want to make dgdr as a primary database. Now switchover is successfully completed. Let's check show database dgdr. And you can see dgdr is my primary database now. Show database digital, and you can see digital is now physical standby with the apply is on. That means MRP process is already running on the machine. During switchover, if you're doing this first time, maybe you will be faced this type of errors. These errors come because of that your log archive dest 1 maybe is not set properly on the standby side. So you have to set it and then try. After successful switchover, you have to follow the 7 step, which is the reconfigure the environment. If you are doing this activity on the production environment, you have to set your environment as per the standby. Next step is a start the MRP process. In my case, the MRP process is already running. So using the following command, you can check it is running or not using the SQL command. So you can check. So if that command output is not come, that means your MRP process is not running. So you have to execute the above one command. In my case, it is already running. So I do not need to run the command, but you have to run that command on the DG broker prompt. Okay. So finally, we have a successfully switch over our database. You can also check using the following command. MRP is running. You can see MRP is running here. Let me show you the other details about the database. See, the database name is the digital and database role is a physical standby, and PDB database is also in the open mode. Let's verify few details on the standby side, which is current primary. The database role is a primary and the PDB is open mode. Let's try to switch over back it. Come on the DG broker prompt and check the current configuration. You can see DGDR is a primary database and digital is my standard database now. Before doing anything, you have to verify the databases. If it is ready or not, you have to check it out that one. Okay. So in my case, my both databases are ready for the switchover. So let me do it. Oh, perfect. It is completed now. Now you can just verify the details. Using the show configuration command, you can see the primary database is a digital and standby database is a DGTR.